up, guys? We're going to unbox a new item from Shopee. So it's called Deerma DX700 slash DX700s GDTech DX7001 2-in-1 handheld vacuum cleaner with HEPA filter. So this item was bought by my wife from Shopee. So it cost us less than 2,000 pesos, which can be converted into most likely $40, if I'm not mistaken. And if you are hearing some noise from the background, so basically they're baking right now. Baking something to eat for the Easter Sunday. Now let's start! So as you can see, we have here fragile tape. It's for them to take care of the item. And let's start okay, with the scissor. So if you're still a minor and using scissor, please ask assistance from your parents. Okay. Almost there. Yeah, that's it for our packaging. As you can see, this is the box. It's it actually says Deerma Vacuum Cleaner. Continuous large suction can take away the dust. It is great at picking up fine dust rapidly and flexibly for each corner. It is effective storing the dust not backflow to give you a clean living area. Okay, it's Deerma. Okay, let's try to open now the box itself, because this is the main packaging here. Styrofoam just to protect the box. And first on the list is this one. I don't know what this is, but we can know later on the use of these tools. Of course, the main item. So let's try to remove the plastic first, the cellophane. Move it to the side. And this is more like a gun here. So the wire, we have the wire and the vacuum itself. Okay, as I can see on the image from the store. Okay, this is going to be like this. Hold it like this. Okay, it's more like from the Ghostbusters. Maybe this is not actually a vacuum cleaner, but a ghost hunter. Next, so this is the main body, and of course the elongated part that can be extended on the floor. Okay, this is like an M14. The design is really like a military equipment. Put it this way. So this is the other one. Oops. Oh, it's actually movable here. I want a military. On the item here, of course, the one that we place on the floor. Hit on the floor. So let's see the inside of this one. Okay, we have here the one that we put on the floor. Okay, can see here. So we have here this one, and the main body. So nothing's left here. So we're gonna use this one, and we just have to return the cellophane here first. So as you can see here, we have now the items. Items here. We have here and here. Okay, we have a user's guide here. User's guide. If you buy this one, of course, this is included. But it's in Chinese, but it has no translation. So you just have to look at the figure and how to assemble this one. It's indicated here. Okay, the main body here. This one is an elongated one. Will be put here. So there's a corresponding button here. If you want to attach it on the main body, you just have to push it so it will push inside. So it's now tight and secured. Oh, this will be a good weapon in terms of design if this becomes a weapon. It's more like an electric charge here. And then of course we have here, let's also attach this one. We can so you can actually put it this way, or whichever you are comfortable using this one. You just have to push this right and right. Okay. I hope I'm doing this right. I'm giving justice to the way this is supposedly assembled. And now, so from the body to the middle that extends the vacuum cleaner, and then this one, that's the one you put on the floor, and this will actually suck all the dirts from your floor. So it says here, this one, Deerma Cyclone Filter, super strong, ultralight. So I think the motor is here on this part. Here. There are things like this operated in 110 volts, which is usual in European or American countries. In the Philippines, it's 220. So upon seeing the operating voltage, is 220 volts, and this is 600 watts. So it also consumes electricity. So the sound is 82 decibels, and the pressure is 15 kilopascal. So these are other things you use, like for example, you can replace the end of this machine, because you can actually put this one. Yeah, you can use this one, and you can also use this one if it's for, I think it's for bigger dirts from the floor. So you can use this one. And if you are going to the inner part of your house, extend this one, upper area, the sides, you can use this one, this and this one. So let's try it. Hi guys, it's summertime here, that's why I'm sweating. But we will demonstrate now the use of this vacuum cleaner. So we have here, for example, these are dirts on the floor.
Pieces
So
of paper.
plug in the device,
Pieces of paper.
and plug in the device, and the switch button is here. So let's try. Turn this on. And it's all gone. And it's here already. And you can actually remove this one and take out the dirts. Okay? So that's one demonstration. Whew, I've worked so hard now, guys. And in order to remove the dirts from this filter here, just have to click this one below. Here, click this one and subscribe to get you and remove this one. Okay? So since we have here already this one, we need to remove the dirts inside it. So this one, and just think that I've already put this on the garbage bin. So it's summer in the Philippines, and I've worked so hard to clean up our house. Now let's try to use the other suction tubes you can put at the end point of this vacuum cleaner. Now let's try this one. Please, director, highlight. Okay, let's try suctioning the supposedly dirt on the floor. Okay, you can see here. Let's turn it on. Okay, so this one is effective also. And would like to use also this one. The versatility of these suctions are for the different parts of your house. So let's try this also. This is for smaller areas, such as if you want to. So now we hope that you have learned another item on the list, and this is what we call Boodle from Shopee. So this is a good Boodle so far. If I have to rate it in the score of 1 to 10, it's now 8 because I haven't used this for a bigger portion of my time. So again, this is Deerma vacuum cleaner. You can look it for Shopee for less than 2,000 pesos. See ya.